In this video, I am going to show you how to remove Facebook account from other devices. So first of all, open up your Facebook application and tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your menu, you have to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to extend the menu, then tap on Settings. Now on your settings, you have to tap on the Account Center. On your account center, you have to scroll down and tap on password and security. In password and security, you have to tap on where you are logged in. So now from here, you have to select your Facebook account. Over here, you will be able to see where your Facebook account is logged in. So for example, my Facebook account is logged in on an iPhone 12 Pro. So I have to tap on select devices to log out. Then select the device from which you want to log out your Facebook account. For example, in my case it is this one. Then you have to tap on logout. Again tap on logout. By doing this, you will be able to easily remove your Facebook account from other devices. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.